About a decade ago, we started the Iron Bull story as a continuation of a childhood dream to build, control robots and vehicles, and ultimately to compete with one another. That's how our first Zagreb arena was born, where players battled with tanks in real combat scenarios. Today, we want to bring that fun into every home. That's why we created the Iron Fleet. A do-it-yourself tank that you assemble yourself. Our first model is 1:10 scale replica of legendary American Sherman tank from the World War II.
In the design, we insisted on both functionality and historical authenticity. Our tanks drive at scaled speed, have a realistic suspension and a cannon with correct elevations and a precise 1:10 scale ratios. We are particularly proud of the projectile firing system, which uses an airgun mechanism.
Our tanks not only know when they've been hit, but also who hit them and which part of the tank was struck, allowing us to simulate tank battles as realistically as possible. In addition to steering, the app brings a social element, connectivity, matchmaking, and performance tracking.
By assembling the tank, users learn real engineering fundamentals, from bearings and springs to power transmission and precision assembly. This knowledge isn't just useful for tanks. It applies to the workings of cars, airplanes, and even robotics and industry. The idea is to spark an interest in engineering before they dive into the fun of gaming.
The tank comes in a box with over 600 parts, special tools, and detailed instructions covering both technical aspects and interesting historical facts. But the fun doesn't stop there. Once assembled, it comes to life through our app. You can drive it, play solo missions, or connect with friends and engage in tank battles.
At our company we have a rule. If you design something, you have to build it yourself. That's the best way to see how well you've designed it. But it is this very experience of building, of trial and error, that we want to pass on to our users. Only when you've built your own tank and know how to service it are you ready for a real battle.
During assembly, you will discover many interesting facts, such as innovations that reduced self-ignition in combat. I hope you enjoy assembling as much as I enjoyed designing it.
Although you won't need to solder or program, everything comes with clear instructions on how the system works, because we want you to know what's controlling your tank while at the same time being able to jump straight into action.
Our goal is to expand the collection into a whole fleet of miniature World War II tanks. The German Panther is next, followed by other legendary tanks as soon as we reach certain stretch goals on Kickstarter. This is the start of something big. We truly believe our fleet will find its way into garages all around the world.